Thank you for your consideration in joining Arcomm. This is a guide to help you install Arma 3 Sync and get our mod pack downloaded. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and Google Arma 3 Sync. And now the first one coming up here is going to be the Armaholic link. This should be the same in Google too. Armaholic is a trusted source. You don't have to worry about them giving you bad files. You will need Java to run this, but you should have Java from countless other applications. So the download link is going to be down here. If we go ahead and click on this, it's going to get going. The second thing you're going to need is from the Arcomm website. So it's arcomm.co. Okay, so this is going to have information as far as what we do as a community on it. It's also going to have the information we need, which is how to download our mod set. Now, if you go over here to joining our operations, it will have the link here under downloading our mod set. So we're going to go ahead and copy this. Now this opens up a PDF in case you don't want to listen to my voice. That will have instructions as far as how to install this. Now, what we're going to do is we actually need this this little bit here. So we're going to go ahead and open up Arma 3 Sync after we extract it. There it is. So it's going to go through the normal install process. You know, just I swear I deleted that. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and open this. So first things first, it is going to ask where your Arma 3 executable is. So if you have moved this to a different disk, you should know where this is. However, most people, if they do have a big enough hard drive, it's going to be on their C drive. It'll be in x86 on the program files. It'll be under Steam. There we are. And Steam apps, common, and then Arma 3. And we're going to go ahead and click the Arma 3 exe right here. If you want to run 64-bit, you'll click the x64 up here. Okay, so once this is done, we're going to go ahead and click repositories over here. We're going to click the big blue plus. This is where we need to enter the information. Come on. We're going to copy this thing in blue right here. For whatever reason, it's not copying when I click it. So just type it manually. Okay, once you have this typed, we're going to go ahead and click import right here. Now this is going to say connection successful if you did type it right. If you typed it wrong, it's going to like continue to load and it'll take a long time. It should be pretty quick to load up there. Once it does that, you're going to go ahead and hit OK, and this is going to create the repository. Now in order to get this downloaded, you're going to have to click on here, click this little blue arrow here, and as you can see, they're all red here. Now what the red means is it's not downloaded. However, first, before we do this, because there has been problems in the past with the mods being installed in the root folder and being overwritten by vanilla, we're going to go ahead and go to add-on options, and we're going to make a separate folder for our Arcomm add-ons. So we're going to go all the way to our common, which once again is in the C drive if it's there. If not, if you moved it, you should know where it is. Steam app. Come on, Steam apps, common. And then I've already made one called Arcomm mods here. Now I'll go ahead and make another one. So just click make a new folder, Arcomm, and we're going to go ahead and use that. So we'll hit open, and this is going to allow us to install our mods in a different folder, so it's a little bit easier to use. Now once we get that, we're going to go ahead and change the destination folder, which is going to be this little drop down here. We're going to click the folder we made, and we're going to click this green check mark over here. This is going to check to see if the files are in there. However, if you do have the files already, I'd recommend re-downloading them each time you change the folder, because Arma 3 Sync is a little peculiar when it comes to that. So in order to get things going, I would recommend clicking the settings here and changing some of these up so you can get a little quicker download speed if you do have that option of a quick internet connection. Once you do that, go ahead and click this black like start resume button here, and it's going to go ahead and download it. Now, okay, you need to hit select all. That's That's my bad. So it'll go ahead and download it. Well, if you want, we can set up like auto connect to the server. So we're going to go over to our TeamSpeak here. It's going to be ts.arcomm.co, and you're going to have your name. I just put a temporary name there to show that it's not actually me, so that if whatever your Steam username or name on Discord, it would be nice if you kept it all the same. You're going to hit connect, and it'll connect you to the server. Now once we get in the server here, over here on the operations channel, this is going to be the IP we need in order to create the auto connect. Arma 3 Sync is nice because it'll tell you when the download's finished, and flash, so that if you are waiting before an op, you'll get a response a little quicker. Now in order to create the auto login, you're going to need to go to the online tab here, and we're going to add a server here. Now I already have it in here. I'm going to type it anyways, and the password to our servers is always going to be Arcomm. And then you can join with the mod set. So this is what I'd recommend, because you don't have to think about anything. It will automatically do it for you. So we're going to click Arcomm main over here, and this is going to join with the Arcomm main mod set. Once this is done, you will have access to it here, and as you can see, I do have the Arcomm server here, which I just typed out, and then it says that it's loading with this little dash with the Arcomm main mod set. Once you do this, if you go ahead and click start, it's going to load you into our server, and that's all you really have to do from this point. Thank you for your consideration in joining Arcomm. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the staff or admins on Discord, and we look forward to seeing you.